Today is a special day because I want to show you my new indie game studio. Well, it's not really new, it's just a bedroom upstairs that I painted and moved all my equipment up. But I want to go through this office and show you all the different pieces of equipment I have that help me make videos for you guys and also make video games. But honestly, guys, the truth is if you have a computer and a mouse and a keyboard, you can make games. This is all just glitter and value adds, right? This just makes my life a little bit better as I spend 8 to 9 hours a day working on games. Hey, how's it going? My name is Thomas Brush. I'm the creator of a game called Pinstripe. I'm also working on a game called Once Upon a Coma. If you guys want to get notified of its launch in 2 months-ish, you can click the link below and wishlist Once Upon a Coma. You'll be notified of a launch discount. That's pretty cool, right? And also, if you guys want to support on Patreon, there's a link in the description as well to support this studio and this channel. It helps me make videos for you guys. So if that's something you guys are interested in, click the links in the description. So let's go ahead and get started. Enjoy the tour. What was that? Enjoy the tour. Whatever. Come on, let's go. Now guys, I'm really into coffee shop vibes, sexy coffee shop vibes. So I kind of tried my best here. I painted the walls like a greenish gray, and there's no better way to get those coffee shop vibes while you're working on your games all day than to bring Jeb with you. This is Jeb, my golden doodle. He doesn't really have a price tag, he's priceless. But he comes and hangs out with me, follows me around wherever I go all day. And even if I'm like writing music, Jeb will be right there. And I write music on my Casio Privia PX200, and it's $400. I got this like 10 years ago, so I don't really know what it's gonna cost you now or if you can even find it, to be honest. But I love this keyboard because I can input it into my iMac and have weighted keys. So a lot of MIDI controllers don't have weighted keys, and it doesn't feel natural to play classical music. But this feels natural, feels like a grand piano. So the extra price tag was definitely worth it because I can input these weighted keys into my iMac, which was $1,600. And I'm not really an Apple fanboy anymore. I bought this a couple years ago. Thought it was worth it. It's definitely worth it if you're into using Logic Pro. But if you guys want to use FL Studio to write your music, it's totally fine to just go with a PC. Smudges and all, I still like this iMac, so I'm not really going to get rid of it. I think it looks pretty, to be honest. Again, smudges and all, I think it's a sexy computer, so I'm not going to really get rid of it. It also looks good in the videos. But what's really important right now is my PC setup, and that is right over here. This is my PC setup, and I'm not going to really talk about the brown desk. It's great. I think I got it on Wayfair. What I really want to talk about is the hardware and technology that I use for making games and videos. So this, at the very beginning here, I want to talk about the Yeti, the blue Yeti microphone, and also the mic stand. The blue Yeti was $109 you can get on Amazon. InnoGear you can get on Amazon as well, and that's the mic stand, that's $13. Even with all the dust and spit, this is a great microphone. It does incredible sound. As long as you're talking into the actual blue logo, which is what I'm doing right now, you're gonna get a really nice studio sound. Now this is my AOC 31.5 inch monitor, and that's $231. This is a great monitor, guys. I found it on Newegg. I needed a monitor really quick. This is the biggest monitor I've ever had. It's great quality, great color, has a little bit of high color contrast. As you can see here, it's a little bit contrasty, but not too bad. Thomas, what are you doing? Stop it. Alright, this is actually like one of the best parts of my office, and this is just Redi Shades. I have 2 of these. They're $6 each. I got them at Lowe's. They're just paper. And what's really cool about them is you can use clamps at the bottom to sort of raise and lower to let natural light in to get that really moody look that I have in my videos. So it really is cheap and really easy to use. Now this is the EWin Flash Series chair, $399. Thanks to EWin, they actually sent me a free one. Yay! YouTube. But EWin is awesome, so this chair is gotta be one of my favorite chairs to sit on, and I'm not just saying that. So if you guys sit all day, why not sit like a king with EWin? Use code Thomas for 30% off of your chair. Guys, I've had Walmart chairs. I've had old crappy chairs when I was trying to save money. If you guys are sitting all day like me, it's really worth it to get an EWin Flash Series racing chair. And honestly, guys, if you want a really classic looking gaming chair, there's plenty of those, plenty of colors and options. But if you also want something a little bit more simplistic or minimalistic like me, there's plenty of options for that as well. And I actually like this black and white one here, and that's the one that I got. My favorite thing about these chairs is they're just memory foam, so comfortable, and anything that you need to tweak to feel right for you, you can. So you can tweak the pillow behind your neck or the ergonomic support, or if you're like me and you don't even want it, you can remove it. So overall, there's just a ton of things. You can make the chair go down or up. You can move the armrest backwards and forwards, down and up. So overall, guys, it's a great chair. Honestly, it's a really great chair, and I was always skeptical of these racing chairs until I was sent one. But giving it a shot, I realized, man, these things are comfy. They're really, really comfy, and I kind of understand why they're so popular among the gaming community. Guys, if you're sitting all day, I mean, for me, I've been sitting all day for like a decade. So you could really justify getting one of these chairs because, we're all sitting, we're all looking at computers, whether we're working or playing games or studying. So click the link in the description, use promo code Thomas, and see if it's something for you guys. Alright, this is the Logitech C922X, and that's an $80 webcam. Believe it or not, all of my videos are shot on a webcam. Amazon Basics tripod, $21. Well, most of my videos. My newer ones are webcam. This is my PC. I just went to Best Buy and bought the gaming PC. Nothing super special. It's really great though. I mean, it's a $1,079 computer, HP Omen Obelisk. You can see the details there if you want. But this PC, I didn't want to get something that was super ridiculously high end. I just wanted something that was a gaming PC so that I could get an idea of what I guess the majority of gamers are going to experience. Now, not everything is as pretty as it looks, guys, because this is a simple setup of clamp lights, colored bulbs, and daylight bulbs, which is like a total of $54. It's nothing super fancy, and in fact, my hair light, which is what sort of shines above my head, just simple daylight bulbs and clamp lights. Now this is garbage speakers. Don't buy these. These are Logitech speakers. They've cost me everything. They're terrible. Don't get those speakers. And this is also my wire colony, and this has cost me my sanity. So not everything in your office has to be perfect, but you certainly should try. And even things outside your office can drive you nuts. So right now we've got construction going on, and in fact it's really loud, but because of my Blue Yeti microphone, you can't hear it, which is awesome. So doesn't really matter. Oh man, so what'd you think about that, huh? What'd you think about that office tour? I thought you liked it. I could tell. I could see it in your eyes. You liked it. If you found it valuable, please click the link in the description. Please click the link in the description and leave a comment if you have any questions or anything. Oh, I forgot to mention, guys. Some of you are thinking, Thomas, you didn't even mention your tablet. Yeah, so forgot to mention. This is my Wacom tablet. See how greasy it is? It's because I actually use it. Here's the pen, tablet. This is I just moved the screen. Hang on. There we go. It's a Wacom Intuos. Nothing fancy. I think it's like the cheapest model. If you guys want to get something bigger and you have the money to do it, go ahead and get a bigger one, because sometimes it can get tough in that small space. But this is great. This is really, really great for especially doing illustrations and artwork, which we'll be talking about plenty in my upcoming videos. All right, guys. Talk to you later. I feel like an idiot today. Bye.